Now the topic before us is funding the vault, how commercial banks secure physical cash for everyday operations. First of all, we must understand what the question means. Suppose we have a deposit with our bank and we go to the bank and want to withdraw say $1,000. Now another customer goes to the bank and wants to withdraw say $10,000. Now another customer goes and he wants to draw say $20,000, and so on. A large number of customers come to the bank and want their money because they require the same in cash. So now the question arises, from where the banks get cash to give it to their customers. So when these are the customers who have come to the bank for withdrawal, there are other customers also, like businessmen, who have money with them which they have obtained from their customers, and they will deposit it with their banks. So many customers may come, say X comes and he deposits say $1,000. Another customer may come and he may deposit say $500. Another customer may come and he deposits $20,000. So in this way, on one side the persons come for withdrawal, on the other side there are many persons who come to the banks daily to deposit some money. It is not that the same customer repeat. Customers may differ from day to day. Some are routine customers, some businessmen or some individuals who deposit cash money into the bank so that they can make use of their internet banking or etc., or to use that amount later. However, it may also be possible that this deposit comes less and more customers come for withdrawal. This amount is cash. Withdrawal is more than deposit on a particular day. Suppose the persons come for withdrawal of say $1 lakh, and say banks have only $10,000. We are assuming it only for example purpose. So in that case, if there are large number of customers which come to the bank and the banks are not in a position to get bank cash from anywhere, the banks can approach the central bank, that is the Reserve Bank of India in India, which is the central bank in India, main bank. So now we will understand this question. What is the question? How commercial banks typically acquire physical cash to meet their operational needs, including supplying ATMs and providing teller services to the customers. Commercial banks can acquire physical cash through customer deposits when customers bring cash to the bank and deposit it into their accounts. Banks can also obtain physical cash from the central bank to meet the demand for cash in their operations, such as supplying ATMs and teller services to their customers. You have already learnt that one of the reasons behind fixing the reserve ratio, that is, as you already know, that some amount of the reserves is kept as reserves, and out of these reserves some may be kept at the bank as cash and some amount may be deposited with the central bank funds. So this fund which is saved or deposited with the central bank may be used or may be asked for by the commercial banks from the central bank in case of emergency, when there are bank runs or other, the central bank comes to the help of the commercial banks so that the financial so that the confidence of the public in a particular bank is not shaken. The central bank comes to the help of the commercial bank in case the commercial bank asks for the help. That is why the commercial bank, central bank is also known as lender of last resort. We will also learn about the same later on. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.